All right, we're gonna do a quick overview of the plasma lighter and a how to use it. This is the Dark Energy Plasma Lighter. It features a 120 lumen flashlight and a windproof, waterproof lighter that is under this cap here. To use the plasma lighter, you will need to know the location of a few points on the lighter itself. The first of which, and most important, is the power button. This power button, when the lid is closed, will turn on the 120 lumen flashlight. There are 3 modes to the flashlight: a low, high, and strobe mode. In order to engage the actual lighter part of the plasma lighter, you're going to need to take this wire lock and slide it down. This enables you to push this button and open the top part of the cap, showing the plasma lighter. These 4 posts here are where the plasma arcs will work. This is a very high intensity energy output that will cause fire. In order to light whatever you're trying to light, you will need to put it in between those 4 posts where the plasma arcs intersect. To recharge the device, your recharge port is located under the lid. Your plasma lighter will come with a cable and a lanyard that you can attach. To attach the lanyard to the plasma lighter, you're going to take the thin part of the string and loop it through the opening in the back of the plasma lighter. You will then take the other end of the string and go back through this loop. After pulling this tight, your lanyard will be securely attached to your plasma lighter. To light a fire with your plasma lighter, you are going to take whatever you were trying to light and place it in between. As you can see, we've already tried to light this paper a couple times and it's smoldering. You're going to take it and place it in between the posts on the lighter. This should engage a flame, and as long as the wind doesn't blow it out, you should have fire. If you have any issues or questions regarding your plasma lighter, please email us at support@darkenergy.com. Thank you.